Hello, welcome everyone. Today we have finally received the Max Programming full interface, the complete kit from the Medal company for cochlear implant, and we have planned it to show to you all what all it contains. Earlier, we were doing the neural response telemetry and cochlear mapping of cochlear. Now we can do the neural response telemetry and cochlear mapping of Medal. Now let us unbox it and see what it contains. फिर बताऊंगा we have got as we can see here, we have got such a nice box of Max Programming interface of Medal. As we can see here, we have got the Max Programming interface. In the front side, it has the three sockets, the two of which are for the left and the right ear, and the middle one is for telemetry. In the back side, we have got more connections. This one is USB Type B and this is the trigger connector. Ready. These are the various cables that we have got, which are used for the connection of the Max Programming interface with the sound processor of the cochlear implant as well as with the cochlear implant software. This particular cable is used during telemetry to connect the Max Programming interface with the internal electrodes during the cochlear implant surgery. This particular cable is used for the Opus audio processor mapping. And this one is series mapping. And for the Rondo audio processor mapping, we use this cable. The last cable is used to connect the Max Programming interface with the Medal software. केबल रख देते